Meanwhile, Russian forces have begun to launch a new batch of Iranian drones, according to Iranian Air Force spokesperson, who said the launch point has shifted to the eastern side of the Sea of Azov, located on Ukraine's southeast coast and connected to the larger Black Sea via the Kerch Strait. Russia has been accused of using Iranian-made shaded drones to attack multiple targets in Ukrainian, particularly energy infrastructure, for months, although it has not officially admitted using them. Ukraine calls on Russia to withdraw this Christmas. New batch of Iranian drones reportedly. Ukraine's President Volodymyr called on Russia forces to withdraw from Ukraine this Christmas, addressing leaders of the Group of Seven, who met virtually on Monday. Zelensky said Russia could prove it could use the season of goodwill to abandon its aggression towards Ukraine. The occupier must leave. It will certainly happen. I see no reason why Russia should not do it now. At Christmas, the answer from Morocco will show what they really want: further confrontation with the world or finally a certain.